Douglas will track near Hawaii as a hurricane through early Monday. Heavy rain, strong winds, coastal flooding and high surf are expected. Hurricane warnings have been issued. Hurricane Douglas is forecast to move near or just north of Hawaii through early Monday, where it could produce flash flooding, damaging winds and pounding surf. Current radar and satellite, the most recent winds are plotted for select locations. The Central Pacific Hurricane Center has issued hurricane warnings for Oahu, Kauai County and Maui County. Current Tropical WarningsDouglas will slowly weaken as it tracks west-northwest, but it's forecast to remain a hurricane as it makes its closest approach to Hawaii. The center of Douglas should move near or just north of Maui, Oahu and Kauai through early Monday. There is a chance Douglas could make landfall on Oahu if the center of the storm crosses directly over the island. If that happens, it would be the first named storm on record to landfall on that island. Current information and projected path. The extent of Douglas's winds are also shown in orange and purple. Strong and potentially damaging winds are expected in Hawaii. Hurricane conditions, winds 74 miles per hour or greater, are possible in parts of Maui, Oahu and Kauai through Sunday night or early Monday. The exact track of Douglas will determine how much of the island chain is impacted by either tropical storm or hurricane force winds. There could be power outages and tree damage in parts of Maui, Oahu and Kauai. Tropical storm force wind chances. The contours above show the chance of tropical storm force winds, at least 39 miles per hour, according to the latest forecast by the Central Pacific Hurricane Center. Douglas is likely to bring locally heavy rain from east to west as the hurricane moves westward. The rainfall could cause flash flooding and mudslides in parts of the island chain, particularly in areas of higher terrain and on the north shores of the islands. Rainfall forecast. This should be interpreted as a broad outlook of where the heaviest rain may fall and may shift based on the forecast path of the tropical cyclone. Higher amounts may occur where bands of rain stall over a period of a few hours as well as over mountainous terrain. High surf generated by Douglas will batter east, northeast and north-facing coasts through Monday. Coastal flooding is also possible in exposed areas. A water level rise up to 3 feet above normal tide levels is possible in some areas. Douglas, a late first East Pacific hurricane. Douglas became the first hurricane of the Eastern Pacific season Wednesday, among the top 5 latest forming first hurricanes for that basin in the satellite era, since the late 1960s, as noted by UNC-Charlotte graduate student Eric Webb. The weather company's primary journalistic mission is to report on breaking weather news, the environment and the importance of science to our lives.